Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a drop-down list in Excel. Let's get started. If you want to remove a drop-down list, click on the cell which contains the list you wish to remove. For instance, let's say we want to remove the drop-down list featuring months, so we'll click on cell C3. Navigate to the Data tab, then go to Data Tools and select the option Data Validation. In the pop-up window that appears, click on the option Clear All, located in the bottom left corner. Click on OK to confirm, and the list has been removed. While the cell still contains the last selected option, the drop-down menu has been deleted, leaving no other option to choose from. Notice that the icon for the list on the right side of the cell has also disappeared. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.